Same energy coming in, wishing upon the star to be with you, grow things with you. Hello, Aries. Welcome, new viewers, cross watchers, and my lovely, lovely Moonians. This is a monthly reading for Jan 2021. So let's see what the Spirit has for us. We have honesty and communication. We have expect miracles, forgiveness, and understanding, which is coming in. Heart to heart conversations, which will be essential starting this decade, is coming through more honesty, standing in your truth, but also being open enough to listen to the other person, that kind of a thing, which is coming in. We have forgiving and learning and then understanding how to apply it in your present, and with more like mindfulness is coming in, so being more focused in the present, not jumping ahead or back, trying to find that calm, that balance within your own self also. I see you being very happy, so stresses which will be going away, that kind of a thing is also coming through. I'll keep this here as the major theme. Progress which will be coming through. So this is a general reading wherein this side is the sign that I read for, and the other person, love, is all pervasive. So this could be anyone that you are concerned about, perhaps, or you are coming in this reading thinking about someone, but there's someone else who wants to say a message, that also comes through. I see this person over here progressing, also coming through. The healing by being productive, moving forward, trying to come into a positive mind state. And over here, there's this energy, Aries energy of healing, which is coming through. Higher perspective, distancing for some time for your own sanity, that kind of a thing. We have the Hierophant coming in, marriage, Taurus energy, which is over here, the change which is required, being more sure of yourself, thinking long term. This could be associated with organizations also, government, and even like marriage as an institution, that kind of a thing is coming in. Let's move forward. We have the Ace of Cups coming through. Are you thinking of making an offer to someone else? Are you hoping for things to progress forward in love? New communication, someone who has been hiding their feelings will be getting ready to eager to express themselves, is the energy coming in. We have the Five of Wheels coming through, Five of Pentacles coming in, feeling left out. Someone from your past could also be coming through. Either one is focusing on their own self right now, and the other one may be feeling left out, is the energy coming through. Someone missing the other person. Next to, we have the Fool coming in, starting something new, brand new. Someone who sees you as a miracle. Nine of Wheels also coming in, really appreciative. Yes, there is this energy of self-empowerment, focusing on someone's career, becoming your own not true self, but like really focusing on building your life up from scratch for some people. Maybe they are going on an endeavor, a new endeavor, and they're completely focused on becoming successful, financially stronger. So their focus could be on something else, on their career, profession. That is also coming through. If you're concerned about someone's success in a new venture that they are starting, it is going to be very, very rewarding coming through. But if you see your, like, the way this person over here views the Aries is someone who is ready to start afresh, believes in themselves, values themselves, is ambitious, go-getter, sometimes impulsive, but a very beautiful soul. The smile over here seems more like, I associate this one more like a Disney character. So it's like really cute energy which is coming in, playful, beautiful, radiant energy which is coming through. Let go of the stresses. Something which is well deserved will be coming towards you. Aquarian energy over here, Aquarius over here with the Fool. Wanting to go on a new journey after overcoming certain things, coming to an understanding that whatever happened, whatever had to end, came to an end for my betterment. That kind of a thing. All I can do now is to learn from it and utilize it on a daily basis. That energy is coming in. Learn to let go. King of Knight of Cups coming in. New offer could be coming through unexpectedly, also could be there. Eight of Cups, someone, whatever the situation is, they're not ready to move forward. They want to make things work, but someone is focusing on their own betterment, mentally also coming towards a more better mind space. Wheel of Fortune coming in reverse. This is saying, hold your horses a little, wait, the timing will be right, the delays will be over. Are you sabotaging? Is any kind of fear sabotaging your own future? Become aware of that, is also coming through. There's a lot of anxiety, a little bit of hostile energy which is coming in, a change in the dynamics, which maybe Aries is not really liking. I don't know. That is the energy which is coming through. Concerned about the long term, and this is more like a new journey, and this is more like something which is already established, wanting to establish a stronger foundation, while someone is focused on the finances. It's just like both of you have very beautiful intentions for each other. There's a bit of lack of communication which may be happening. Someone who may be overthinking of a little too much is also coming through. This person is very career driven right now, is the energy which is coming in. Is there anything that we need to know? This also, somewhere down the line, is Aries realizing that they really have strong feelings for this person. We have religious factors. Your love life is influenced by your religious upbringing and spiritual path. This could be family influence, which may be coming in, feeling pressurized by relatives or other kind of external influence over here. Spiritual growth, which is required. You could be from different religions also. It doesn't really matter to me, honestly speaking. We are all humans at the end of it. What else do we need to know from this side for their person? They are being very secretive. Trust me, the way I've just shuffled right now, they're very like, I don't want you to know kind of a thing. We'll be a little sneaky. We have let go of control issues, allow the situation to unfold naturally. And we have you deserve love. You are lovable. Someone who may have been emotionally closed off, that is coming in. Self-realization which is happening. I feel like after a little bit of separation that may be occurring, whether physically, distance, or different countries with the religious factors over here, there's certain kind of realization tower moment which happens, and they realize who you really are in their life. That is the energy which is coming through with the yellowness over here. Seeing life more positively, slowly and steadily letting go of their guards with a new person, perhaps. Self love, they have to journey. So, if there is certain kind of immaturity that may be there, that's why maybe, like, they have to come up emotionally at a maturity, maybe like with you is coming through, or you with them. Any clarity that we need? What is this letting go of control issues? Thank you. We have the World card coming in. Feeling limited, divine masculine, wounded divine masculine energy that may be coming through. Not feeling fulfilled, restricted. Very deep feelings that they may not be talking about, not sharing, sorry. But the way it's going down, like over here, I think they are coming out of a very emotionally dark place, is also coming through, not for everyone, but certain kind of success that they are waiting upon. Feeling lonely, maybe an ex missing you is coming through. We have the chariot also coming in, the high priestess. Okay, Cancerian. Fast movement, I think your intuition is also helping you in certain ways. The Fool card coming in, Aquarian. I want to go forward. How are they viewing you? We have Detective coming in. Light attributes are great powers of observation and intuition, desire to seek out the truth coming through. Okay. Secretive. We have father and child, wounded child coming in. They came in reverse. So, dictatorial control, abuse of authority coming in, and we have blames of dysfunctional relationships on childhood wounds, resisting moving on through forgiveness, family issues which are there. They're healing. They're undergoing certain kind of massive amount of healing, or they need the time for that. I'll just say this: if someone has undergone certain kind of loss and they are grieving, just because they're not reaching out as they did usually doesn't mean their feelings for you or the friendship for you is deteriorating in any way. They need the time to heal, they need the time to embrace what they're feeling in order to move forward. Don't feel left out. Let them be, let them breathe. Let's not get too much in the head trying to analyze things. How do I, next time that I meet, how do I pep things up and all of that? Let it be. Perhaps this person just wants you to wrap your arm around them and just be there, breathing together, listening to something positive, just being there in the moment. That is coming in. Calm down. I don't know, someone had to listen to that channeled energy. Father healing also could be coming through for them. Them realizing that they may have been replicating the way their father was, and they are realizing that it may not be completely healthy, how they have been limited by expecting things from others. That angels, anything that is coming in for a reminder as a blessing. We have growth coming through, and we have truth coming in. This, I feel like, you're just asking, what is the truth? Do you still love me? And there's this energy like, if you are in a partnership, yes, I do. Give me time. I need to make something, I need to grow. Let me prove my worth to you, even if you're not expecting, but it is kind of coming through. For some people who are in a long term relationship, if they are going through something, they are very thankful for you. The truth will set you free. Before seeking for truth outside, become aware of yours first. Ask a question when you are ready to listen to the answer. Process what you have learned. They see you as a blessing. We have Sea Otter coming through, happiness. Be the master of playful living. Release expectations and enjoy every day. Let worry go and instead choose love. Surrender to the waves. Your good destiny of love is sure. Surrender the how. Don't overly stress yourself. Don't get so stuck in the details. And at the bottom, we have unicorn coming in, infinite possibilities. Go beyond the ordinary and become the legendary. Abandon the darkness. Listen to the spirit of light. Beauty will transform you. We have the wolf. Release your past and start a new journey. You are a teacher and help others find their way. There will be challenges, but your soul is strong. Perseverance is your secret power. You have a love that endures. Believe in what you have offered, what you have created in your life. Shift this energy. Stand in your power. Miracles will happen, expect miracles coming through. Let's look into the messages coming in from this person. Thank you. So we have, I am retaliating because of past hurts and endings. The fear, the anxiety may be triggered from the past relationships. So become aware of that. Where is this fear actually stemmed from? Am I overreacting? Am I overthinking? Why am I feeling panicked? You inspire me to become better coming through over here. Yeah, you are an inspiration. Look at this. There's like night wishing upon a star for things to grow. You both miss each other is coming in. You bring them truth. You ground them. You heal them. But sometimes all of that you're giving out, you need to bestow it upon yourself also. Relax. I'm nervous to approach you coming through. Yeah, they have been missing you quite a bit. I will understand if you let go of me. Stop confusing me. I tied too many expectations. Yeah, expectations. Limit your expectations for you also. Or they do realize that they came out very strong, too controlling, expecting you to do your best while they be maybe leisurely going with the flow. You were the main runner of this relationship, perhaps. Why do my thoughts keep running to you? Wow, it's talking about running. And we have, I wish I was in a better mind space. Yeah, they really, they need the time. Whoever this is, friend, lover, partner, spouse, all I feel is this is someone, maybe they're going through something or not, but they're very one goal oriented at this moment. And someone who's getting a little agitated because of that. I'll just say bring your focus onto yourself, become aware of your own truth, and once you are emotionally calm, then have an heart to heart or open minded conversation when they are ready to. Let's not push it. Let them also realize their feelings for you is coming through. This is too much confusion which is going on. Someone who may be acting very detached. Focus on yourself. Focus on building your life independently also. Let them navigate towards calmer waters. Let's look into the charms. Alright, so we have the snake coming in. Discernment, someone feeling that the other person is hiding things. Allow them to speak the truth. Let's not push them. Focus on yourself. Shed old skin. Shed old fears which are no longer in sync with who you are today. Be smarter. I don't know why is that coming in, but it's just like take care. Don't be in a state of survivor mode. Relax a little. That is the energy which is coming in. Focus on your health, perhaps. Stressing is not going to help. We have the tree coming in, tree of life energy, growing, thinking of family issues that they have to overcome. They see you as their family. They really wish that they could move past such setbacks as quickly as you could. They find you very precious with this ring, thinking of settling down with you. Focus on your health is the energy which comes through with this one. Eat healthy, eat all the color foods, natural vegetables. Let's not binge eat. We have the moon and the stars coming in, thinking, dreaming about you. And again, like, I have to do this. Like the same energy which is coming in with this. Same energy coming in, wishing upon the star to be with you, grow things with you, come towards you with the truth. A little bit of stubbornness that may be there, or even wanting to anchor down with you. But they will be a little stubborn right now in terms of the way they want to go ahead, like build something substantial for themselves. That kind of adamant energy is coming in. More likely with you. We have the rose coming in. They see you as someone very precious in their life. They are coming into the light about that is coming through. Seeing how you maintain your relationships, perhaps, the spark in you, inspiration, your banter, they really like that. But sacral chakra energy with the pink, the orange rose coming in telling you become, express yourself gracefully, believe in yourself, let go of fear of death. We have another star coming in, Aquarian energy, dream catcher coming through. Cleansing will be very nice, I'm telling you, you or them, certain kind of cleansing or reshuffling certain items in the house a little to change any kind of clogging energy. But dream coming in again, they're really dreaming about you, you are their dream. We have a rabbit, I think. I don't know what is this. Or a mouse. They want to, I don't know how to explain this. But they may be acknowledging the hot and cold ways, how they came in and just went out, acknowledging that. I want to go dancing with you. That kind of energy is coming in. Playful side. They love spending time with you. They love your quirks. You bring in a lot of positive energy into this person's life. We have the root chakra also coming through. Grounding, I am energy, which is very much important. So, if you're interested and you want to rebalance, awaken your root chakra, I'll put in a guided meditation for that. Or chanting LAM, LAM, will be very beneficial. Listen to that frequency. A LAM chanting will be very, very nice. Let's ground ourselves because you are coming to a point where anything that was in the air will be getting grounded. So become aware of your own truth first before seeking outside. We have the ballerina coming in. They see you as being very swift, very fluent, very fluid in life. The way you sway, the way you dance, perhaps, could be a dancer. The way you move, you carry yourself. They really like that about you. The way you present yourself also. And we have Shivji also coming in. So this is talking about transcendence. Listen to the universal song. Allow transformations to happen. This is a very transformative time. So become aware, shake off the fear, and move forward coming through. And over here, I also feel like they see you as a divine counterpart with the tree over here, the tree of life, dream coming in, Shivji also over here, and the ring, divine counterpart energy coming through. They do want to build a very strong foundation with you is coming in, but first they also have to become grounded, and so do you. All right, I'll just show you the charms. The way this got stuck, and this says you inspired me, it's supposed to be me, to become better. It almost felt like you raise me up, that kind of vibe. So these are the charms. We have dreams. Believe in your dreams coming in. Believe in your aspirations. Pre-nominations which could be coming in, messages, visualizations which come through. Your dreams are speaking to you is also coming in. So pay attention to your subconscious messages. Sometimes your dreams are not just like, very objective, they're very subjective. So what you see is not always the literal meaning of it, but try and understand what are your dreams saying to you. We have celebration, let go and have fun coming through. Stress less. Good times are coming in. Dragonfly coming through. Live life to the fullest coming in. Regeneration, empowerment coming through. Beating your own drums. Cheer up, live in the moment. Epiphany, seek clarity which is coming in first within. What do you really want from this person, this relationship? Are there certain things that we can change? Or are we pinned on certain kind of agendas, so married that we're not being able to see adjacent possibilities? And this may be in any aspect of life. Is there anything else that we need to know? We have Mary Magdalene coming in, teacher awakens. You have something important to share. Follow the inner call. Don't let anything stop you. And the inner call also, make sure it's not coming from a place of fear and actually coming from your higher self or your higher good. We have Master Jesus also coming in, twin flame energy which is coming through. You are on the path of light, love, and forgiveness. Father, healing is possible at this time. And we have Diana coming in. Think about what you desire, set your sights high, expect the best possible outcomes, expect miracles. Divinely guided energies over here. Believe in yourself coming in. Stand, speak your truth coming through. Awaken the teacher in you. Awaken the divine in you. Stand strong. You are like a lotus. You'll always grow. Think about sustainability in your own life also. Don't allow your dreams to be plagued by fear. Become clear, clear your vision, expect the best kind of a thing. Be open to surprises, know the direction where you're going, but let's not limit our scope because your scope is limitless. Before forgiving anyone else, forgive yourself. There's a lot of internal guidance which is coming in. So stop restricting it. When you're doing something, do it without expectations. Very important. Then you release yourself from the outcome, but you do it because you want to do it. It makes you happy doing it. Not because in this way, if I do it this way, then this kind of reaction will come in. More brownie points. We're not doing that anymore. We're being authentic, because the universe knows what you really want. But till the time you are tying everything to that outcome, particular outcome, it will wait for you, because you're creating a bondage with that outcome. You're weighing it down more because you're in a way thinking of a lack of that. And I'm not saying you have to superficially enact that you already have it. Sometimes it doesn't make sense at all right? But I'm saying, what do you have right now? What is of value? What can you do? Where in your life is there something have that aspect that you have kind of ignored, sidelined? Is it career? Is it romance? Is it certain kind of friendship? Is it certain kind of relationship healing that you have to do with your father, with your mother, with your siblings? Become aware of that. Because if you want life to progress, then we have to give equal amount of attention to each and every aspect of ours. Otherwise, we just keep on closing doors unnecessarily. Someone may be overcoming the fear of abandonment, childhood wounds, seeking more clarity, seeking more success, but it is all leading to progress. Refill your cups, nurture yourself, listen to your heart's beautiful song, and dance along. All right? So, do let me know if this resonated with you. Hit the like button, it will help this channel, and share it with your loved ones if you find this will be beneficial for them also. Thank you so much for your precious time, and thank you so much for being part of the Moonian family. If you aren't already, then please do subscribe. Until next time, love, light, healing, and abundance, surety, confidence, grounding to you all. Om Namah Shivaya. Keep that vibe high, my lovely Moonians. Happy New Year!